Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Texas Comptroller portal easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Texas Comptroller portal. Press the enter key to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, look for the login option located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Now, enter your user ID in the designated field. Below the user ID, enter your password. Double-check both entries for accuracy. If you want the system to remember your login information, check the Remember Me box. Once you have confirmed your details, click the Sign In button. Wait a moment while the system processes your login request. If your credentials are correct, you will be successfully logged into your account. If you encounter an error, verify your user ID and password before trying again. For those who have forgotten their password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. Once logged in, explore the features available within the Texas Comptroller portal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.